How to put Ask Me a Question on Instagram story. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Now, click on the option Your Story given at the top left corner. With that, your gallery will open up. Now, go ahead and select the picture for your background, or you can click it. Once you do that, now at the top right, you're gonna find different option. Click on the sticker option. Different options will appear. Now, navigate to the option Questions. Click on it. With that, you're gonna get Ask Me a Question sticker. Now you can place it anywhere. Just adjust its size. Once you do that, you can click on Your Story and upload it. Now your Instagram followers will be able to ask you a question. To see the responses, you have to click on it. And with that, you'll be able to find all the responses. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily put Ask Me a Question on Instagram story. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.